graders. Let's do a little review on rounding so we don't forget this skill. So this number here, how would we say it? It would be 8,735. Let's first round it to the nearest thousand, right here. So this number is in between 8,000 and what would be 1,000 more? 9,000. Can you think of what would be the midpoint, the middle of 8,000 and 9,000? That would be 8,500 would be right in the middle. So is our number more than 8,500 or less than 8,500? It would be more. Our number is 8,735. So would we round up to 9,000 or down to 8,000? We're rounding up. We're closer to 9,000. Okay, now that this hopefully has kind of triggered something in your brain, oh yes, I remember. Let's try it again, but this time, let's round to our nearest 100. Round to our nearest 100. So remember, when we're doing that, we're going to take that and everything that came before it. Let's keep using orange. So I can't just write 87 because 8,735 is not close to 8,007 or 87, excuse me. I just have to add in some zeros here. I'm rounding to the nearest 100. My nearest 100 would be 8,700. Okay, I want you to pause the video, figure out what would be one more 100. What would be the middle? Where's our number? Pause now. Okay, are you ready to check? One more 100 would be 8,800. So in between 8,800 and 8,700, 8,750. Because if I'm looking at this, this is 700, this is 800. What's in between 7 and 800? 750. The 8,000 stays. So is our number more than this or less than this? If I look one digit at a time, they're the same. They're the same. Now they're not. Which one's more? 5 or 3? 5 is more, so my number is somewhere down here. Do you round up or down? We round down. We're closer to 8,700 than we are to 8,800. Let's do one more. Same number. This time, let's round to the nearest 10. That would be right here. And I'm going to take everything that came before it. It's like rounding to the nearest $10 bill. Can I just write 873? No. That's nowhere close to 8,735. I just have to add in a 0. Now I've rounded to the nearest $10 bill. I got rid of my ones place. What would be 10 more than this? Whoops, and 40. Good. What would be your midpoint? Why don't you pause the video, find your midpoint, and figure out, are you going to round up or are you going to round down? Okay, are you ready to check? So in between 8,730 and 8,740 would be 35. The 87 stays that whole time. But in between 30 and 40 is 35. Where's our number? Kind of a trick question. It's the same number as our midpoint. Do you remember if it's the exact same as your midpoint, do you round up or do you round down? Because technically you're the same distance between those two numbers. Do you remember? In math we say round up Math is a glass half full kind of person. All right. Hope this came back to you a little bit. Good job today. Bye.